equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on replacing the fans in your MSI laptop. Today, we'll walk you through the entire process, ensuring you have all the information you need to successfully complete this upgrade. First, let's gather the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to your laptop's components. Begin by powering down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that there's no residual power in the device. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is essential for your safety and the integrity of the laptop. Now, flip the laptop over and locate the screws that secure the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Remember, keeping track of your screws is vital, as they can be easily lost. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. With the back panel off, you'll have access to the internal components of your laptop. Locate the fans. They are typically situated near the heatsink. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from the area. Use compressed air to blow out any dust, ensuring optimal airflow once the new fans are installed. Now, let's remove the old fans. You'll find screws securing them in place. Carefully unscrew these and disconnect the fan cables from the motherboard. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. With the old fans removed, it's time to install the new compatible fans. Align them with the screw holes and connect the cables to the motherboard. Make sure they are securely attached to avoid any issues later on. Once the new fans are in place, reattach the screws to secure them. After that, it's time to replace the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently to ensure all clips are engaged. Then, screw it back into place, ensuring everything is tight and secure. Before you power on your laptop, it's a good idea to double-check that all connections are secure and that no tools are left inside the laptop. If you're unsure about any step, we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision. Finally, reconnect the battery and power source and turn on your laptop. Listen for the new fans. They should operate quietly and efficiently. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the fans in your MSI laptop. Enjoy the improved performance and cooling efficiency. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.